Welcome to Georgia Insight. Mountain road construction is always a challenge. Narrow space, heavy stones, and complex conditions. This excavator, equipped with a hydraulic wrist, can quickly detach the bucket and use a clamp to move massive rocks. Then, with the bucket reattached, it clears the site and transports materials. Even while moving, it spreads cement over the stonework, helping the retaining wall take shape faster. Higher efficiency, lower cost.